Good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you live. This is Djudsland, and today we are going to talk about 4 different German language exams. We will compare and contrast them in terms of difficulty level, price, accessibility, structure, and particularities. So let's get it started. So the first exam, most probably you have already heard about it. It's called TestDAF, Deutsch als Fremdsprache. This exam is considered challenging and is dedicated for those learners who have already achieved the advanced level of German, which are B2, C1 or C2 levels. The cost of the TestDAF is from 175 to 185 euros, whereas from country to country. This is a standardized test. You can take it in a lot of countries worldwide. So TestDAF uses a standardized scoring system. Each of 4 sections is scored separately. The results are reported in 3 sections, from TDN3 to TDN5. So TDN4 is the minimum requirement for most of the universities. TestDAF is specifically created for academic purposes, to study German Hochschule, university, and it's mostly required for university admission. Next on the plan is Goethe C1 and Goethe C2. Both of them are quite challenging, and C2 is near proficiency level. This is the exam I took, and I'll tell a little bit later about the details why I chose this exam. Exam fees for Goethe C1 and C2 are different in different countries as well, so you can take this exam worldwide and start from 160 to 250 euros. The Goethe exams use a point evaluation system. That means that there is a threshold for every section, reading, speaking, writing, and listening, that you need to overcome to pass this exact section. For both of them, it's 60 points and up considers that you have passed this section. So Goethe certificate is recognized worldwide, just like a TestDAF, but also it's not only for academic purposes, it's also for professional purposes. So for example, you might need to take and pass this exam to be able to work. Moving on to Telc, Telc. I just go with Telc because it's also a standardized test. It's available in levels such as C1 and C2 as well, and they are also considered quite challenging. These exams conducted in various countries, so you could definitely apply and take this test worldwide. The price range is from 120 to 220 euros. Just like in Goethe C1 and C2, Telc also uses the score point, where 60 points is the threshold. You need to go up and then you pass the exam. What is special about this exam is that Telc is known for its real-life orientation and practical communication scenarios. Telc also offers a specified exam, such as Telc Medicine, for those who need German for working in the medical field. Last but not least, DSH, Deutsche Sprachprüfung für Hochschulzugang. DSH is specifically made for students who want to study in German universities and Hochschulen. It does focus on academic language skills. DSH is one of the most affordable exams from all these 4. The fee is about from 100 to 200. And DSH is typically offered in Germany. You need to check the specific university where you plan to apply and study, and most probably they conduct this exam. It's not worldwide, you can only take it in German at the particular university. DSH uses a complex scoring system with a percentage of the tasks performed. A common passing threshold is about 57%. Just like TestDAF, DSH is tailored for those who want to enter German university and study there. That's why it does include a lot of academical content and information. Moving on to my personal experience, I did some research and I was mostly choosing between TestDAF and Goethe C1 or C2 because they are both recognized worldwide, so that was the main criteria why I chose exactly the Goethe exam. Also, I did like the scoring system of Goethe C2 more. I've decided I would rather take more time, put more effort, and pass the highest existing level because for my master, if I wanted to study Germany, that would be the linguistics. right? Germanistic or linguistics. So for my master, I would have to have all 5s in TestDAF, or I have to pass Goethe C2 highest level, right? So I've decided that it's easier to pass the threshold of 60 for each section in Goethe C2 rather than taking TestDAF and be worried, oh, what if I have TDN 4 instead of TDN 5? So I could just, fail with that and not be able to apply for master. Also, consider the form of the exam, because some of them are digital and some of them are paper form based. Based is German word. Paper form based. Plus also the key criteria, because I didn't want to take the digital exam. I am the person of the Kuli. Yeah, Kuli is pen in German. So I do like highlighting and underlining all the keywords, as I've mentioned like 1,000 times before. And I've realized that it's easier for me to prepare for Goethe C2, even though the language level is super high. And I had to accommodate, I had to just learn a lot during these 2 months of preparation. But it also gives you a lot of interesting information, scientific facts. So I approach this process from this way, that I'm becoming smarter and I'm improving my German language level in this case. All right, so wrapping this all up, acing German exam is not only about knowing what they're for, but also learning the way they work, the structure of the exam. Whether it's the standardized TestDAF, university-dependent DSH, versatile Telc, or global recognized Goethe certificate, just choose whatever fits best for your language goals and follow this path. And for those of you who are embarking on this amazing journey of learning German language to the very advanced level, to be able to live, work, and study in Germany, I have a special resource. It's called Fortgeschrittenes Deutsch. This is my ebook. I crafted and put a lot of effort in. I do love this product and I have already sold a lot of copies. This comprehensive guide covers most of the topics you can find in all of these 4 major exams, featuring up-to-date articles, interesting podcasts, scientific videos, a lot of vocabulary list, and a small bonus from me is the phrases for your oral presentation and pro-contra discussion. That's just a real gem. You can purchase the Fortgeschrittenes Deutsch for C1 and C2 levels on the Gumroad website. It's safe and secure from any part of the world. The link is in the description below. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach me out at my email, djudsland@gmail.com. And please don't forget to show your support by liking this video and following my channel. The support means a lot to me. Thank you and see you in next video.